This $30 million Sydney mansion has the best views on the harbour, and in my opinion, some of the best in the world. Experience the epitome of luxurious living by the harbour. This stunning family home, situated on approximately 900 square metres of land with 2 street frontages, offers an unparalleled blend of elegance and grandeur. With commanding views of the city skyline and the picturesque harbour visible from nearly every room, along with the sun-drenched garden and sparkling pool, this residence truly exemplifies opulence. Nestled in a prestigious location on Vaucluse's peninsula, no expense has been spared in crafting a refined sanctuary of peace, luxury, and tranquility. The generously proportioned living spaces seamlessly connect to expansive outdoor terraces, ideal for both formal and informal entertaining. Immerse yourself in the serene ambience of the sunlit gardens and indulge in the blissful pool area. Adding to its allure, this home offers unmatched convenience, with Vaucluse and Rose Bay Village's cafes, shopping destinations, waterfront parks, and ferry services, all just a short stroll away. All that and